Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with SurelyWP add-ons for SureCart. Today I have an update for our catalog mode. It's a plugin that changes your product pages into a browse-only catalog. It adds an inquiry form that pops up, or you can put products into an inquiry form to send to request a quote for wholesale, things like that. So this update will have a bunch of different features like new blocks and shortcodes and different settings that I want to highlight. So that's what this video will be about. I have a blog post that I'll probably just use to go over, keep myself organized here. So the new features, first of all, I want to point out that SureCart 3 is coming at the time of this recording, and we've been going through all of our plugins. At this point, we've released compatibility with all but one remaining yet. So within a few days, we'll have that done. So we'll have all of our add-ons completely updated ahead of the SureCart 3 release later this month. So I wanted to point that out. That is something that we are keeping up with and aware of. So that's all good. Now, the big thing, we wanted to keep adding more integration with SureCart and keep everything, familiar in their interface. So you can see here, right there in that screenshot, I can show you in the back end. So here I just have an example product, So over on the right side here in the SureCart product page, you'll see this toggle. This was not there before. So whenever our plugin is installed, you'll have that, and it just makes it easy to choose to put this product into catalog mode. So a lot of these features that I'm going to go over are about integration with other page builders or even the Gutenberg block editor. So it's really exciting to kind of see this plugin expand so much besides just the default SureCart product pages. So this feature here, show or hide elements by class. So think of catalog mode where you want to hide the price maybe, or you want to show a button or show a text module or whatever it is, a widget that displays information about the product like, hey, please contact us for wholesale pricing or whatever. Now you can show or hide these, like any element in whatever builder you have using these classes. So when you go into the settings, scroll down to the product page section, and then down here, right here, hide anything with a CSS class. So like you're in some other page builder, you want to hide the price. Well, now you can if that product is in, catalog mode. So it's like, there you go. And then, you can see the class here, like SurelyWP catalog mode show, SurelyWP catalog mode hide. So you can enable these and then add that class to your element. Hope you enjoy that. Now, when you want to add products to the cart, you can't do that in catalog mode. So we have this thing where we replace the checkout with a form so that you can go to the product and then you want to inquire about this product, and instead of adding it to the cart, you're actually adding it to your inquiry form to send a message and ask about it. So what we've done, we used to have a shortcode for that, or you could have used any form shortcode that you want or form plugin from whatever, as long as our setting is redirecting to that page, right? Well, now we've added a Gutenberg block for that. So here's the page. This is the actual block that's showing it, but it's on the front end. You can see, by the way, that button will be linked to the SureCart brand color. But anyway, let's go to the back end of this page. And you can see the products that are added here. People went to those product pages and then added them to the form. Okay, so here's the block. It's going to be like when you go into add blocks like here, the inquiry form is right here. And some of these are because I have my other add-ons installed. But right there it is. You can add that and it works, like a normal block. There you go. And speaking of which, we have that button on product pages that triggers the pop-up when you just want to inquire about one product, right? So I'll just, the product that I had here, let's go to the front end of that. And here you can see that the button it's not buy now, it's not add to cart, nothing like that. It says contact us. That's set up in the settings. Back here, you can put all that in here. Contact us is the text. What do you want it to do? When you click that button, well, we want it to open a pop-up form, or we could link it to another page. All these cool settings, right? So where was I? Right here. So if I click this contact button, now we get this form, and the customer wants to ask about this product. There's no pricing, so I might want to say, what's the price if I order 10 of these? or whatever, right? So now that works with a class or a shortcode. This button is something we're adding automatically in the previous versions, right? This button is just here because we have it here. We have the inquiry button set up here. My point is, in the new update, we have two things. So we have, if you want to use your page builder button instead of this button, you can do that. And you can do that by adding these two classes. You can look at it. You're going to need this class, and then you're going to need the product ID class. And so you can add that to whatever button you have, like in the block builder, for example. So here I have on just a test page, I have added a button in Gutenberg. And now when I click that button, oh, it's not a name for this product. That's because I used a different product ID. Let me just show you in the back end. It's going to have that pop up on any page because it's going to be linked to that button. That product that you're inquiring about is going to be linked to that button. So here we have just a normal button. So I've gone in here, right? And again, this will work with any page builder. I add a button, and then in that button, which now I got two, but you understand. Here, I'll click on this one, advanced. See here, we have this class. And then we have this second class with the ID of the SureCart product. Now that button in this page, whatever I'm building, is linked to that. Also, you can do it with a shortcode. So here we have another page with a shortcode. I'll show you that. Works the exact same way. Here you can see that you've gone in here to the builder, added a shortcode block, and that is the shortcode here. You can read about that in the settings, and here's the product ID. And that was showing as a button like you saw. Another improvement is we went through all of our plugins and added tiny MCE, rich text editing, and HTML support to any text area field. So in this plugin, there was only one, the inquiry email body, which is here. So now when you're writing like the email that sends, when someone contacts the store, you can actually customize that here. With rich text editing or like with HTML like that. All right, so we have SureCart brand color support and dark mode support. Now that's depending on your theme, but like when you go over into SureCart, you probably hopefully have seen that. So SureCart settings right here. You come here and click on design and branding tab. And then whatever color like you're putting in this field, that's going to be used on anything in our plugin now. So like the buttons, for example, that's going to apply to that. Then they have this theme in beta. It says select theme color like light or dark. So I put it on dark. And now when I go to like the product page here, let me just pick something here. Pick like bright orange. And then I have it on dark there. Let me just go to one of the product pages and check that for you. In fact, there it was. You can see that it was showing that pink color. And again, that's going to affect obviously other things. You can see it's affecting our wish list add-on, and it's affecting like SureCart elements as well, of course. That's the point. So our point was to keep synchronized with that, right? Like we want to be consistent and have that SureCart integration. Now when you click on this, if we're in dark mode, the form is now in dark mode. And again, this button is orange. So hope you like that. Like we keep trying to add as much integration like that as we can. So I think we've got it all. Yeah, we improved the font in the text areas. Yeah, there was an issue with the cursor in our settings, and we updated some descriptions just to be more descriptive. All right, hope you enjoy that. This plugin has really come along. It's kind of exciting. It obviously serves a niche here, but something that is useful, and a lot of you are enjoying it. And with this update, we've kind of just, it's a big update actually, compared to kind of the feature set of the plugin. And there's more things we can do. In fact, let's get into like SureCart 3 things. There's a lot more things we can do, like showing and hiding elements now that they're going to release like the update to like when you're viewing the product list, the product grid. There's things we can do in there, like with little toggles, just to make it easy to set across all of your catalog mode products. That'll probably be what we take on next. So let us know kind of what you want to see, show or hide there as well. All right, we appreciate you watching and support for our little add-on company here for SureCart. And like always, let us know what you want to see next. Subscribe here on YouTube, and we'll see you in the next video.